Left side.
I have shatter.
I will give you wall hacks to increase your chances of successful shatter.
This will help.
Fucking being foolish.
I'm being pushed.
We'll be fine.
Going left side.
Get back. You're powered up. Get in there. Get me.
Can't
Right,
see.
right on point, right on point.
Widow. Or I mean, fuck. Mercy
Nice
was
one,
low.
nice one. Nice.
Hello. I will keep you healed.
I ducked that arrow.
McCree left side.
Reloading. I'm lagging a little bit. Oh fuck. Control Shift R. There we go. Hey, run up there. You're up there alone, bud. Which side are they going? They going left? Okay. Oh, they're still scared. Holy fuck.
You're going to be okay.
Careful, shields down, shields down. And a hit. Nice.
No one can hide from my sight.
I'm on side.
I will keep you healed.
We have a tolerable mega lol, dude.
60 seconds remaining.
Half health, half,
Green
half,
shield.
half, half. If you would have hit him
Sorry.
once.
Dude, I have... You're gonna need to cut me some slack here.
It's alright, I'll carry for you, dude.
I have shatter then.
Oh my god.
Shield down.
I'm dead.
30 seconds remaining.
Push your side. I'm around.
Dude, I really appreciate your calls, man, but you should move your mic away from your mouth a little
Oh,
bit.
I'm dead.
I missed so many, dude.
10 seconds remaining.
You're going to be okay.
I'm dead!
Yeah.
I'm just...
Lost.
Should have just fucking jumped off the edge. I don't know what I was thinking.
I've come back from worse.
She's lagging so fucking
So
hard, dude.
is it DPS only, or is it, Torb only?
No one can hide from
It's
my
DPS only.
sight.
I've seen worse. You're going to live.
Fuck.
You're covered.
Nice
Shield's
shit.
kinda weak.
I headshotted something, man.
I have your back.
That McCree's
McCree
half.
right side, McCree right side, nice.
Thank you. Thanks.
They got sonar on the far left.
Watching your back.
Oh fuck. I don't want to talk about it.
They're going looks up.
I can't see anything, dude. I got accidentally killed in the back.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Come on.
I will keep you healed. Guaranteed.
30 seconds remaining.
No one can hide from
Yeah.
I have
I don't
shadow, I
know
have
how
shadow.
I'm not. I don't know how I'm not on fire from even just healing, dude.
They're going right side, they're going right side, careful.
10 seconds.
They're almost out of time.
You're powered up. Get in there.
I wasn't there to help. Fuck.
Fucking bush.
Old soldiers are hard to kill.
Come get your armor.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
We can do this. We can win this. Like 2 fights here.
Go back a point, go back a point.
Show them what you can
Oh my god. That was a headshot, but the Zarya bubble lasted 1 second longer than it should have. Or 1 split second.
Dude, you're going in with only one healer, dude.
60 seconds remaining.
Try not to feed. Try not to feed. Okay.
You're covered.
Thank you very much, baby. Oh, their Lucio straight up pushed me.
I have your back.
Shield's down.
I sleep.
Nice.
I have no visual of anything, man.
Keep going.
30 seconds remaining.
He's sad in that,
that-
dude.
Bedtime.
Okay. Yep, let's just fucking wake his ass up,
You're
dude.
powered up. Get in there.
Destination. 10 seconds remaining.
Oh my god.
Overtime.
It's a 100 charge Zarya, by the way.
Round 1 complete.
Hey Ben, can you get off of Twitch?
Score 0 to 3.
Saw you had the dankest.
I don't know. We typically have 7 stream.
Select your hero.